Hey everyone, I'm Chef Curtis, and we're talking about food as medicine. Do we have a recipe for you all today? If you're a party person, get in the house because we're making party chicken. In Spanish, that word is Fiesta Chicken.
This recipe has a lot of really great components, but it's actually a very simple recipe. So we're giving it nice flavor from some chili powder. We also have some salsa in there. And then we have our wonderful vegetables. We have our onion that Chef Curtis has chopped up for us.
Right.
And then we also have our fresh red pepper here.
Love
Okay.
it. And then we got corn, huh?
And then we have corn here. Fresh, if you can get it, is amazing, okay?
Right.
But frozen is also a very good alternative. If it's flash frozen, which means...
They freeze it right there, just within 15 to 20 minutes of harvesting. Great process.
So all the nutrients are locked in. So frozen is an amazing option.
And this recipe, Emily, we're using brown rice. Now, I love my white rice, so talk me out of using white rice for brown rice. Why?
Sure, yeah. So brown rice, I like to focus on whole grains in the diet. And brown rice is a whole grain. They keep you full longer, that fiber does, and also it promotes good blood sugar control. So if you have diabetes, this is perfect for you.
I think you're reading my mind because as a person with diabetes myself, I know when I eat rice, and I love rice. It's one of those things that really sends my glucose way high. So this will help me bring it down?
Definitely.
I love that.
This
Well,
will
thank you.
help your blood glucose to rise and fall slowly and evenly. And it'll
Love
give you
it.
that steady dose of energy rather than spiking and then coming right back down.
Now the last component is our chicken. And we've cut this chicken in about 3.5 to 4 ounce pieces. About a portion, right? So what do you think? Chicken, if you don't want to use chicken, could you make a sub there if you don't want to eat meat?
Absolutely, yeah. Any kind of plant-based protein would be great, like beans. We could do lentils. We could do something soy-based like tofu if
Oh,
that's
yeah.
not too crazy for you.
Come on, I'm from California, girl.
So that would work well, yeah.
Right on. So shall we get to cooking?
Absolutely.
Let's do it. Our Fiesta chicken is ready to plate up, Miss Emily. What do you think? Huh? How does that look?
Right, it looks spectacular and it smells delicious.
Smell-o-vision would come in handy. This looks pretty good, huh?
Yes, it looks
Think folks are gonna enjoy
amazing.
that?
I think so.
So please try our recipes, okay? For more tips, keep coming back to our kitchen. I'm Chef Curtis. This is my friend.
Emily.
And we're loving sharing our passion for food with you all.